The first thing we need it is the cleaner solution and the sponge. We are gonna clean the sofa. As you can see, it's very dirty, so we are gonna apply the product directly to the sponge. Then we are gonna clean side to side till the sofa bed is super clean. After that, we are gonna beat the cushions to each other to make sure the dust disappears. So we are gonna clean very good till we have the results we want. I think it's very important to clean the sofa bed or every part of your house because it can cause you allergies. So to avoid that, we need to make time to clean. Well, this is everything for today's video. Don't forget to check the link on the description if you want to check my pages. Don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you want to see more educational videos like this. Bye!